Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to manually update Google Play Store on Android to latest version. So let's get started. So to do that, what you have to do is simply open up your Play Store application. After opening up your Play Store, now in the top right corner you will find your profile icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on your profile icon, now you have to tap on settings option, and after tapping on settings just tap on about. After tapping on about, you will find an option which is Play Store version. So what you can do is just simply tap on update Play Store, and after tapping on update Play Store, now if your Play Store is not up to date, so after tapping on update Play Store, now if your Play Store is not up to date, what will happen is you will start updating your Play Store. But if it is, then what will happen is you will receive a message which says Google Play Store is up to date. So what you can do is just simply tap on understood, and after doing that you will successfully update your Play Store. So that's it guys, this is how to manually update Google Play Store on Android phone to latest version. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.